Magic Wheel Cleaner. It's probably one of my favorite engine bay cleaners in existence.
Anthony, we're going to take you up on it. We're going to do the Magic Wheel Cleaner on this beat up engine. Check out this. Old Green Star needs some help. I'm gonna empty out this bottle.
I'm gonna guess this engine has never been washed before.
Restart around pop.
Well, let this thing do its thing.
Nasty. We're gonna fill in the areas that the Magic Wheel Cleaner didn't get. We ran out of Magic Wheel Cleaner, so we're hitting it with Green Star on top. But we're not gonna try to touch this. We're just gonna spray this on, let it dwell for a little bit, and then we're gonna pressure wash it off. So we already clayed the car, and if you look, we have soap on the car. We do this so that way we don't have to worry about rinsing out the car twice, because we're gonna kick out all this dirt that's on the engine. Makes it easier.
The side right here. Get all right here, look. So underneath there, it's always those areas that get missed. But like right here, like under, like yeah, like right, yeah.
Then we hit it with motor plast. Gives it a nice shine and some protection.
Give them.
If you guys haven't used this, it's a game changer. It'll easy money to pick up. All you're gonna do is just spray this on and let it sit, let it dwell. After you're done detailing the car, you come pop the hood and give it a check. And this is for all parts of the engine. This is safe for all parts of the engine. And as you can see, I'm not being stingy with this. I'm being very liberal with this. And your forearm should be hurting after a while. All right. Close this thing back up. We'll give it a check when we're done with the detail. Now, the gender reveal. We got some missed spots back there. Right here.
This engine, this is not bad for no scrubbing. We didn't scrub it. We're gonna knock it down, but there's gonna be some areas we're gonna have to. We should have scrubbed because look, there's grime on here. But we just wanted to test out the Magic Wheel Cleaner, so I'm just gonna go through, give it a quick wipe down. But for the most part, for no scrubbing engines, I could dig it. You guys saw that what it looked like before. It was beat up. There it is. We tried to test Anthony's process, his technique on probably an engine we shouldn't have. This is probably not the right candidate to do that. But we wanted to test the extremes. So again, we love motor plast, but you know, we definitely put it in a situation where didn't set motor plast up to win on this one, but it still held it down, still did its thing. Still saved us a good amount of time. So, yeah, that's the engine.